There are three things that matter that actually sets Walrus Memory aside from every other memory solution that exists today. Number one is portability, the fact that you can move your memory across any number of applications that you run today or any projects you're building, across any number of runtimes, across any number of application sessions. You effectively can take your agentic memory wherever you are. So today, if you're building on Anthropic and you switch to ChatGPT, you can instantly migrate that memory with you, not having to re-input and rebuild context from scratch. Programmability is the second one. So normally, traditional competitors who have been building in this space enforce access control through policies on their own platform. So you have to trust that they're doing the right thing to a large degree, right? So if they don't do the right things, the policies aren't as valuable as you thought they were. The great thing about Walrus Memory is it's got programmable access controls. Not only is it the fact that you enforce the access control at the data layer, so the data itself carries the policies as it moves around, but it's fully within the control of the developer or the user. More importantly, the granularity of the kind of access you can build for Walrus data through Walrus Memory is actually greater. So you can gate access to data or memory using rules that you generally could not use with traditional platforms. I can gate it based on payments. I can gate access based to experience. I can get access based to some kind of work that was done or some input that was given. So the vast walls of what is possible for access control is greatly exposed with Walrus Memory than is available through traditional means that exist today. So that's one thing, right? We talked about portability, the ability to move it across any number of runtime sessions, applications that you want. We've talked about programmability, the fact that you have the ability to set really complicated rules that travel with the data wherever it goes. The last one is actually very critical, which is the fact that through verifiability actually unlocks multi-agent collaboration. Agents now can coordinate on shared memory that they couldn't do before, right? The agents don't have to trust each other, and certainly the agents don't have to trust the storage provider. Now, what that makes different today is now you can build workflows where agents can collaborate on memory, share memory, provide data, provide access to data, and get full verifiability on the inputs and outputs as well. So we think it's going to unlock a vast amount of use cases that multi-agent workflows have previously made very difficult or not been possible for multi-agent workflows as well. So those are the three things: portability, programmable access control, and enabling multi-agent coordination, which we think is going to be critical in the future where everything is going fully agentic.